What is happening, everyone, and welcome back to Electro Drive News. The pace of innovation never slows, and today, we've got a whirlwind of updates that you absolutely cannot afford to miss. From financial shifts that ripple through the industry to technological leaps that redefine what's possible, we're diving deep into the stories that are shaping the future, right now. Get ready for some serious insights, because the future of mobility is being written as we speak, and you're getting the front row seat. First up, a major player in the EV space is making waves, but the market seems to be reacting in a way that has everyone talking. We're breaking down the numbers and what they mean for the company's trajectory. Then, we're shifting gears to a groundbreaking software update that promises to revolutionize the driving experience, bringing advanced features directly to your vehicle. This isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a complete reimagining of what your car's software can do for you. Following that, we'll explore the latest financial maneuvers and performance reports from a leading manufacturer, revealing a story of impressive growth and strategic financial backing. Get ready to see how smart investments are fueling significant advancements in the competitive EV landscape. And finally, prepare to be amazed as we showcase a vehicle that's not just driving itself off the production line, but is powered by cutting-edge AI that's leaving the competition in the dust. Don't go anywhere. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss a single second of this electrifying news cycle. Market reaction shifts amidst growth projections. Despite projections for strong third-quarter growth, a prominent electric vehicle manufacturer has seen its stock price take a notable dip, experiencing a 2.86% decrease in value. This downturn occurred alongside a significant turnover of $200 million, positioning the stock at the 454th rank in market activity. The market's response appears to be a complex reaction to a confluence of factors, including broader economic sentiment, sector-specific pressures, and perhaps investor interpretations of the company's latest financial disclosures and future outlook. While the company has been signaling robust expansion and technological advancements, this stock performance suggests a divergence between internal growth narratives and external market valuation. Analysts are closely examining the underlying reasons for this valuation adjustment, looking to understand if it reflects a temporary market overreaction or a more fundamental reevaluation of the company's long-term prospects. The situation highlights the volatile nature of the automotive and technology sectors, where investor confidence can shift rapidly based on a variety of signals, from quarterly earnings to geopolitical events and competitive dynamics. The discrepancy between the company's reported growth trajectory and its stock market performance raises questions about how the market is pricing in future potential versus current performance metrics. Investors and industry watchers will be keenly observing how the company navigates this period, particularly in light of its stated ambitions for market leadership and technological innovation. The ability to maintain investor confidence during such fluctuations will be crucial for its sustained development and ability to fund future initiatives. This stock movement is certainly a point of discussion among investors and analysts, but how is the company improving the actual driving experience for its users? Stay tuned. Hold on tight, because the next update is all about bringing the future directly to your fingertips. We're diving into a software upgrade that's set to redefine your interaction with your vehicle. Xpeng elevates driving with global OTA 580 update. Xpeng Motors has rolled out its latest global over-the-air OTA software update, version 580 for its XOS operating system, marking a significant step in its commitment to user-centric innovation and intelligent vehicle experiences. This update, the third major release of 2025, builds upon previous enhancements, focusing on refined driving assistance, smart cabin features, and personalized user interactions. A standout feature is the introduction of human-machine co-driving, a system where lane centering control, LCC, remains active even when the driver intervenes with steering. This allows for smoother, more natural assistance, particularly in complex scenarios like highway merges and exits, reducing steering oscillations and enhancing the overall driving comfort. Adaptive Cruise Control (ACC) has also been improved for higher cornering speeds and more comfortable deceleration, contributing to a safer and more relaxing drive. For families, the new pet mode offers peace of mind by automatically closing windows, locking doors, and maintaining a comfortable cabin temperature with air circulation when pets are briefly left unattended. Owners receive real-time alerts via the Xpeng app and can remotely manage the feature, ensuring pet safety. The update also integrates Kara Fun, allowing users to enjoy in-car karaoke by downloading the app from the vehicle's app store. User experience is further personalized through an upgraded Xcombo system, now supporting 21 languages and over 700 capabilities, enabling users to create custom scenarios via the in-car display or mobile app. This allows for a highly personalized smart cockpit experience, catering to individual needs for entertainment, safety, comfort, and energy saving. Additionally, Xpeng has responded to user feedback from tropical climates by lowering the minimum air conditioning temperature to 16 degrees C and expanding the dashcam function's availability in more European countries with added emergency recording. These enhancements underscore Xpeng's dedication to listening to its global community and evolving its technology to meet user needs and aspirations, positioning it as a pioneer in the global electric vehicle industry. This comprehensive update showcases Xpeng's dedication to a user-first approach. But how is the company performing financially? Let's take a look. Get ready for some impressive numbers that tell a story of resilience and growth. We're diving into the financial performance and strategic backing that's fueling this EV maker's journey. Xpeng achieves record quarter amid strategic financing. Xpeng, the Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer, has reported a stellar financial quarter, marked by a significant doubling of its revenue and a substantial reduction in losses. In the 3 months leading up to June, the company generated 18.27 billion yuan, approximately 2.2 billion euros, in revenue, driven by a record delivery of 103,181 vehicles, a remarkable 241.6% increase compared to the same period in the previous year. Vehicle sales alone contributed 16.88 billion yuan, 2.02 billion euros, to this impressive figure. Crucially, Xpeng has managed to narrow its losses to 480 million yuan, 57.6 million euros, less than half of the 1.28 billion yuan, 153 million euros, deficit recorded a year prior. This performance signifies a major step towards profitability, with gross margins improving to 17.3% from 14%, and vehicle margins more than doubling to 14.3%. The company anticipates this upward trend to continue, projecting between 113,000 and 118,000 deliveries and revenues of up to 21 billion yuan for the third quarter of 2025, again nearly doubling last year's levels. Xpeng's CEO and chairman, Xpeng P7, highlighted the record-high performance across key operational and financial metrics, including vehicle deliveries, revenue, gross margin, and cash position. Vice Chairman Dr. Hongdi Brian Gu further emphasized the consistent improvement in vehicle margins, which have risen for 8 consecutive quarters. Adding to this positive momentum, Xpeng recently secured a 10 billion yuan, 1.2 billion euros, credit line from the Guangzhou branch of China CITIC Bank. This substantial financing is aimed at bolstering the company's liquidity and supporting its day-to-day operations, particularly its ongoing investments in new models and advanced technologies. Xpeng views this credit facility as vital for enhancing cash utilization efficiency and optimizing settlement costs, providing a strong financial foundation for its ambitious growth plans and market expansion, including a notable increase in overseas shipments, which saw a 217% rise in H1 2025. These financial results and strategic financing highlight Xpeng's robust growth trajectory. But what cutting-edge technology is powering their latest vehicles? Let's find out. Prepare to witness automotive innovation taken to a whole new level. We're looking at AI-powered driving that's setting new industry benchmarks. Xpeng P7 leverages advanced AI for autonomous factory operations. The new Xpeng P7 electric liftback is making headlines not just for its design and performance, but for its advanced autonomous capabilities, demonstrated by its ability to drive itself from the production line to the shipping area at the factory in China. This feat is powered by 3 in-house developed Turing AI chips, which together deliver a peak computing power of 2,250 TOPS, trillion operations per second. This computational prowess significantly surpasses that of competitors, reportedly being 3 times more powerful than the AI system in the Tesla Model. Xpeng Vice President Yu Tao shared a video showcasing newly manufactured P7 liftbacks, navigating autonomously within the Xpeng Guangzhou manufacturing facility without human drivers, marking what the company calls the first step towards unmanned operations. This development aligns with Xpeng's previous statements about its latest ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, being L3 ready, a level of automation that would allow drivers to disengage from the driving task under specific conditions, though L3 driving systems are not yet legal in China. The Xpeng P7's autonomous capabilities are primarily driven by cameras that feed data to its 3 custom-built Turing AI chips, each boasting 750 TOPS of computing power. This configuration offers a 50 TOPS advantage over NVIDIA's Orin Thor and a 30 TOPS advantage over Tesla Model Y's AI4 processor. Furthermore, the P7 integrates Vision Language Action, VLA, and Vision Language Models, VLM, powered by large language AI, enabling the vehicle to interpret and respond to complex driving scenarios more intelligently. The P7 is equipped for Navigation-Guided Pilot, NGP, on both urban roads and highways. The vehicle itself features a sleek design with dimensions of 50/17, 1970, 14/27, and a wheelbase of 3,008, boasting a drag coefficient of 0.201 CD due to its low belt line and hidden door handles. The interior is dominated by a 15.6-inch floating screen, a slim LCD instrument panel, and an 87-inch AR HUD. Performance-wise, the P7 comes standard with an 800V high-voltage system. Its rear-wheel drive variant offers 270 kW, 362 HP, while the all-wheel drive variant delivers a combined peak power of 437 kW, 586 HP, achieving a 0-100 km/h acceleration in just 3.7 seconds. It is available with 2 battery options, a 74.9 kWh LFP battery and a 92.2 kWh ternary NMC battery. Pre-sales for the Xpeng P7 began in early August, reportedly receiving 10,000 orders in under 7 minutes, with sales officially commencing in China on August 27. The autonomous factory driving capability of the Xpeng P7 is truly next level. Now, let's wrap up the day's most critical updates. We've covered a lot of ground today, from market reactions to cutting-edge AI. Stick around for a quick recap of all the must-know stories and how you can stay connected. That's a wrap on another packed episode of Electro Drive News. We saw Xpeng stock face a dip despite growth projections, then explored their game-changing XOS 580 OTA update bringing advanced features like human-machine co-driving and pet mode. We also highlighted Xpeng's record financial quarter with significant revenue growth and narrowing losses, bolstered by new financing. Finally, we marveled at the AA-powered Xpeng P7 autonomously navigating factory floors. If you found this update electrifying, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Let us know your thoughts on these stories in the comments below, and follow us on all our social channels for even more electrifying news. We'll see you in the next one.